Hello children, hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Okay, so in today's class we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is Mohan likes reading. Okay, so this is very relatable to you children if you love reading. So there are many of you who likes reading books, story books and all. So they can relate it totally to this lesson. Okay. So before starting the class, what you have to do? Follow the steps. Okay, sit in a comfortable position. Don't bend your back. Make sure you have your textbook, notebook and whatever you want for the video classes. Okay, and be away from all kinds of sounds and disturbances. Okay, which will distract you from the video class. And yeah, 2 minutes of meditation. So close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Do this for 2 minutes. This improves your focus. Okay. So children, before going to the lesson, as usual same procedure. So I'm going to teach you the hard words and then we'll read the chapter and I'll explain you the chapter. Okay, so before that I'll just brief you out what you're going to learn about this chapter. Okay, so Mohan likes reading. So this story is written on a boy like you whose name is Mohan and he likes reading a lot. Okay, so due to this habit of reading, due to this hobby of reading, how he gets into that trouble and how he's going to face a problem, we are going to see in this chapter. Okay, so these are the hard words. Like first word is Mohan. So name of the person in this, name of the boy in this lesson. Okay, M-O-H-A-N, Mohan. I'm giving you the simple words, children, because it's new to you, isn't it? So these are the, at least you practice these words. Okay. I got to know that many of you kids are not writing the homeworks and not writing the classworks and all. So I am trying to give as less as possible to you so that it would be easy for you to write. Okay. So the first word is Mohan. M-O-H-A-N. Mohan. M-O-H-A-N. Mohan. Then reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading. Then window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Next. So you know what is window. Okay. Interesting. So something is very interesting. Like all your mind, everything is you focused on one thing. So those things are nothing but interesting things. Okay. So you are interested to watch, or you're interesting. It's an interesting movie. It's an interesting cartoon or whatever it is. Okay. When all your focus and mind is in one thing, that is an interesting thing. Okay. I-N-T-E-R-E. So tell me. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-I-N-G. Interesting. I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-I-N-G. Interesting. Next. Senior master. Okay. Senior master is nothing but. Master is nothing but a teacher. Okay. Who teaches. So senior is nothing but who is more experienced person, who has teaching experience, a lot of teaching experience. So he is promoted to senior master. Okay. Senior. S-E-N-I-O-R. Senior. S-E-N-I-O-R. Senior. Master. M-A-S-T-E-R. Master. Senior master. Library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. Okay. Mohan, reading, window, interesting, senior master, library. Okay. So I am going to brief you out what is there in this lesson, children. So you know the name of the boy is Mohan. So one day what happens? The room was very quiet and he is reading an interesting book, and it was so interesting. It has so many colorful pictures and such an interesting story. He is reading, and he did not notice that already it was too late. So where he is reading? He is reading in the school library. Okay. He went and sat at one corner and he is reading the story book, and it was so interesting that he didn't even realize that what is happening outside. Okay, what is happening around him. So he was reading. So it was 5:10. The time was 10 past 5. That is nothing but 5:10. So it was too late. He missed the bus and he was locked inside that library because everybody went out and they even locked. He did not even care about it. He's sitting in one corner and he's reading the book. so deeply he is reading interestingly that he did not notice who and all are there, who and all are going, and it's already time up. School time has got over. They have locked the library. So suddenly after finishing the book, he realized that he had missed the bus and it was too late. So what happens now? So he got scared, he got frightened with what to do, and he went to the desk and there was a senior master's number was there. So he took a telephone. Obviously there will be a telephone in school, isn't it? So he took a telephone and he dials the number and asked senior master that I'm locked here like this and what to do. And obviously senior master got angry and he said, oh, why didn't you notice it? Now we can't come. It's too late. Now we can't come and open it. You read one more book until that, and till morning we'll come and open the school. So this is what the conversation between a senior master and Mohan will be there, and what is going to happen I'll tell you in the story itself. Okay, so we'll read the lesson now, and in detail I'll explain you the story. Mohan likes reading. Okay children, now we'll read the chapter.
Okay children, so here we are going to read the chapter now, and then I'll explain you. So what's the lesson name? Mohan likes reading. The room was, you have to read after me, okay? The room was very quiet. Mohan turned the page of his book. The book was large. It had many colorful pictures in it. There are only 3 pages left. There are only 3 pages left, said Mohan to himself. How sad! After a few minutes, Mohan came to the last page. Wow, that was an interesting book, said Mohan. He closed the book and got up. He returned the book to the shelf. Then he looked at the clock on the wall. The clock told him it was 5:10. Oh dear, cried Mohan. How did that happen? I have missed my bus. Mohan looked around. There was nobody in the room. He was alone. The windows and doors were locked. Mohan became a little frightened. Mohan went to a large desk. On the desk was a telephone. Beside the telephone, there was a sheet of paper. It said, Senior Master 977-64312. Mohan picked up the phone and dialed the number. Yes, said a voice on the other end of the phone. Please, sir, this is Mohan, said Mohan. What time does the school library open? 9 o'clock in the morning, said the senior master. Oh dear, said Mohan. 9 o'clock? Yes, said the senior master. Can't you wait till then to read a book? No, sir, replied Mohan. I can read many books till then. Then, why are you calling me now? Asked senior master. Why do you want to get into the library? Why do you want to get into the library? I don't want to get into the library, cried Mohan. I am in the library and want to get out. I am locked in. Nicholas Horsburgh. Okay, now I'll explain you the story. Mohan likes reading. So children, the room was very quiet. Mohan turned the page of his book. The book was large. It had many colorful pictures in it. So you can see here in the picture, Mohan is sitting at one place of the library and he is reading a book. Obviously in library there won't be any noise because everyone will be reading quietly. Okay. So the room is very quiet, there is no noise, and Mohan turned the page. So Mohan is turning the page and it was a large book. It is a big book. It had many colorful pictures. So you know children, if book has colorful pictures and all, it will become more interesting, isn't it? So now see. So interestingly he has put a light and he is reading. No, can you see here? Yes. There are only 3 pages left. So he has almost completed the book and only 3 pages has left. So Mohan is telling to himself, how sad. After a few minutes, Mohan came to last page. So he is feeling sad that he has almost the book is getting over because it is so interesting. He want to read it for long time, children. He has come to a last page now, so he is feeling sad. How sad it is. So what happens now? Wow, that was an interesting book. Finally he has finished the book, reading book. Okay. No, so how he's feeling, children? Wow. So he's telling wow. He closed the book and got up. He closed the book and got up. He returned the book to the shelf. So he, after reading it, he closed it and returned to shelf. Then what happens, you see? Then he looked at the clock. So while he was going near the shelf, he looked at the clock. So what is the time in the clock, children? See here. The clock told him it was 10 past 5. It was 10 past 5. That means what? 5 o'clock 10 minutes. Okay. It is so they are telling us the clock told him. It's not the clock is speaking, children. It's just in phrase. Okay. So the clock told him it was 10 past 5. That means 5 o'clock 10 minutes has gone. Okay. Oh dear, cried Mohan. Now Mohan started crying. Why he is crying, children? See now. How did that happen? I have missed my bus. So he is in library reading an interesting book. He did not see what is the time. So when he saw it was 10 past 5. Now what happens? He had missed the bus. Everybody went out of the library and they locked also. He did not notice. He is so involved in the book. Okay. See what happens. Mohan looked around. There was nobody in the room. So he is looking around. Nobody are there. He was alone. The windows and doors were locked up. They have locked all the windows and doors and nobody are there in the room. Mohan became little frightened. Obviously, no children, if you be in home and nobody is there in your home, you get little frightened, no? You get little you get scared, isn't it? No, if nobody are there in the home. So he's feeling so scared because he's locked up. All windows and doors they have locked and nobody are there. He got little frightened. Now see what happens. So even though he was frightened, he showed courage. So what he did, Mohan went to large desk. Okay, he went to a large desk. You can see here. He went to a large desk. On the desk was a telephone. So there was a telephone on the desk over here. Beside the telephone there was a sheet of paper. So beside the telephone there was a sheet of paper and it said, so in that paper what was there? Senior master number was there. Okay, who manages the library. Okay, senior master number was there. So Mohan picked up the phone and dialed the number. Okay, so how in our school there is a phone? No. So in emergency we call your parents, isn't it? So he realized that and he went to a large desk. He took a phone and he saw a number and he dialed it. Okay, Mohan picked up the phone and dialed the number. Yes, so said a voice on the other end of the phone. So who was there at other end of the phone? When you call, when Mohan called, who was there the other end? Senior master. So senior master is telling yes. Please sir. So who is telling this? Please sir, this is Mohan. Who is telling that? Mohan is telling. Please sir, this is Mohan. What time does the school library open? So he is locked in the school now. So Mohan is asking the senior master, please sir, this is Mohan, and what time does the school open? Since no children, Mohan is locked in the school library. So he is asking when it will open, when the library will open, so he can come out of it. Now see what happens. What senior master will reply, 9 o'clock in the morning. So he is telling next day morning 9 o'clock it will open. At that time what was the time when Mohan was calling? 10 past 5, isn't it? It was the evening, 5 o'clock. But when the library will open? Yes, it's at 9 o'clock in the morning. Oh dear, said Mohan, 9 o'clock? So he is shocked now, 9 o'clock. Because it will be too late. Next day, whole night he has to stay there. So what senior master will reply? Yes, said the senior master. Can't you wait till then to read a book? So his senior master is telling, till then, can't you wait and read a book? So you can, since you are in the library, you can read a book till then, till morning. Okay. No, sir, replied Mohan. I can read many books. So he is telling that not even one book, I can read many books whole night till morning. Then what senior master will say? Then why are you calling me now? So when you read the book, then why are you calling me? Okay, ask the senior master. Why do you want to get into library? No, senior master is scolding him. Who told you to get into the library and get locked? Like it's a carelessness, isn't it, children? So you have to be careful wherever you go. So since you are in school, you should not go. Since Mohan was in school, he was so involved in the library, reading book, he did not notice it was a time and he has to leave the school. So wherever you go, you have to maintain the timing. If it is 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock, you have to come out of that place. Okay. So it was irresponsibility of Mohan. So senior master is scolding him like, why do you want to get into the library? So now what Mohan will reply? I don't want to get into library. I don't want to go. I am in the library and want to get out. I am locked in. So he started to cry, children. No, next time I will not even go inside library. I am locked in. I want to get out of this room. He started to cry. So this lesson is written by Nicholas Holzberg. So what a simple moral you can learn from this, children. You should take care of yourself, isn't it? So wherever you go, you should see the timing properly. So if Mohan would have saw the time, he can come out at the proper time and go and reach the home by bus, isn't it? So he missed the bus, he's locked inside and nobody can come and open also, isn't it? Till morning he has to stay there. So it's a carelessness, isn't it? So you should take care of yourself first. Okay. So in the next video I'll give you the question answers.